Hello everybody, welcome back. We're joined by the lovely Michelle.
Hey.
We'll get cracking on with the new anomalies in a moment. I don't know how to pronounce this, folks, Chalcoporos or Chalcoporos Rupes, but here's a new photograph that was taken of the site I previously featured. The dunes have moved on and revealed more anomalies, one eerily similar to one I featured recently in one of my 3D illustrations. The photograph is called Linear Dune Gullies in Hellespontus Region, acquired on the 10th of February 2023 at 50.7 centimeters per pixel. There's a look at the low-res black and white and the stunning surface feature with these dunes. Incredible photo. The site's located to the northern edge of Chalcoporos Rupes or Chalcoporos Rupes. Right there, folks, and you'll see NASA scanned this a couple of times. I'll also show you some of my previous discoveries when the dune field had moved on. This is located roughly at 52 degrees, 4 minutes south, 23 degrees, 0 minutes east. There's the first one, folks. It's a strange rectangular structure. It looks like parallel edges or parallel slabs. It's about 10 by 10 meters in size. Check out the uniformity in the width of these parallel sides and then the spacing between those. It looks highly artificial. And we've got, where is it? The block caveat to the left looks almost like a container, guys. It's about 8 meters across. Look at the dark square shape on the inside, and it's also on this side over here to the right. Could this be some type of dwelling or outpost? It's also got a strange donut shape part on the top. Diagonal piece seems to run across the top as well. Very strange. Could that be a container? We're looking at this piece, which is very similar to that one I previously showed in a 3D illustration recently. That there's about 10 meters across. Check this out, guys. Two parallel sides. It's got this rounded, almost spherical design on that one piece sticking out there, and then a partial disc between the different layers. And there's one I previously featured, also about 10 meters across, and it's got that strange spherical object joined to the one side, and barely visible over there, guys, is another partial disc. And this is the illustration I did. This is the top-down view and then the side view. Could we be looking at some type of machine, like a circular saw perhaps? Who knows? And there the two are for comparison. We've got the long narrow part parallel with the one side, slightly raised or stepped, but this one over here seems to be buckled. Then the spherical part attached to it somehow, and the disc. Let me know in the comments if you guys think these might be similar. We're looking at another container-like anomaly. It's about 10 meters wide. Check this out, folks. Uniformity in the width of the outline there. Looks like it's hollow on the inside. Also, there's a disc-like feature at the bottom. And then this, I didn't know if I should include it, but it looks like a disc, about 6 meters in diameter, with a dome on it, mounted to the one side there, and then the bottom side, yeah. Looks like bracing material there. Long, narrow part. Also uniform in thickness. Check that out. Could this be some type of sculpted piece, ancient technology, or a wreck? Right, let's go down to that site. And this is where we have this area, Chalcoporos or Chalcoporos. It's a scrap. And then up to the northern edge is that site. This is where I found one of these strange shaped objects, very similar to the Quimbaya jet that was found in South America. This is an ornament, folks. This piece over here, however, is a lot larger. It's about 22 meters in length. Also looks highly eroded and bent up. And there's also these strange flat sheet metal type anomalies. There's a disc shape underneath it. As a look at the anomalies I just featured. And then from a previous video where the dunes had moved on, check out the metallic look to this piece, guys, and it looks like there's a hatch or an opening right there in the center. Another disc-shaped anomaly, and it's got these three smaller parts on it arranged through the diameter. Another one of these sheet metal type of anomalies. Well, that's what it looks like. There's another wedge-shaped block, strange opening in it, a long narrow part running across the opening, almost like an elbow joint in a pipe. Strange anomalies arranged over there, multiple layers to this rectangular part. It's almost like an opening over there, guys. Partial disc visible on that piece. The arrangement of those smaller parts is also quite peculiar. This long narrow part sticking up like an obelisk. These right angles on the layers is also quite strange. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 parts to that. Looks almost like a Rubik's Cube or a fan. Look at the slot, uniform width to it as well in that piece. And then there's a lot of these smaller blocks that are very similar in size and shape in this photograph. Check out the disc again over there. Smaller part right in its center. Some viewers complain that there's too much narration in my videos. As always, you can always refer to my blog. This is it, folks. I'll include the link to it in the description below if you'd like to see these photographs without any commentary, as well as the picture-in-picture will be removed and the logo. Let's just have a look at one example. You'll find the menu on the right. You can also do an extensive search if you like. But here are the anomalies I featured previously. You can also click on them to view the original crop from the JP2 at 1:1 scale. So you can take a print screen of this, zoom in and apply dots on the pixels, multiply it with the scale of the photograph, and you'll figure out how huge these items really are. Thanks for joining me, Shal and I, for this episode of Mars Anomalies. Take care, everybody. We'll see you soon. Cheers for now.